How to make the timelines on the Google Docs. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the timelines on Google Docs. First, open your Google Docs, choose the account where you want to add your timeline to. Now place your cursor where you want your timeline to be. Now you can simply go to this section right here where there is bullet points. So you want to add the timeline, then you can just add it as you prefer to. So you can also place the box and make a timeline. For example, just tap on the table right here, make the column 1 and rows also 1 and insert this table right here. Now what you can simply do is add the bullet points. After you add the bullet points, you can write something, and just like that you can make a timeline table on your Google Docs. Or you can also add each box. You just want to add one bullet point on one box, and you can simply write one sentence there and make another box and write the other text on this very option. You can also bring the shapes from the very insert option and make your own timeline with your own shapes and or choice as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.